Are you tired of the rat race and want to explore ways to make money online? Look no further. We've got some side hustles that can help you quit your job and achieve financial freedom. You ready to say goodbye to your 9-to-5 grind and hello to a more flexible and lucrative career? So let's dive in and discover how you can start making money today. Starting a blog is one of the best ways to make money online. And the good news is, you don't need any experience or technical skills to get started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You can use platforms like WordPress or Squarespace. You create a website and start writing articles on various topics that interest you. As your blog grows and gets more traffic, you can monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or by selling products or services related to your niche. Example, if you're passionate about fitness, you could start a blog offering health and wellness tips and make money through sponsored posts, or by selling workout programs. Or if you're a tech enthusiast, you could review gadgets and make money through affiliate commissions. If you love solving problems and helping others, freelancing could be the perfect way to make money online. With freelancing, you can set your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, and be your own boss. You can offer your services on websites like Upwork or Fiverr, where businesses and individuals are looking for skilled freelancers. Some popular freelancing services include writing, editing, graphic design, web development, and social media management. If you're unsure where to start, consider taking online courses or attending workshops to develop your skills and build a portfolio. With hard work and dedication, freelancing can provide a flexible and lucrative career path. If you're looking for a simpler way to make money online, why not try out online surveys? It is a great option for those who want to earn extra income in their spare time without any special skills or qualifications. By sharing your opinions and feedback, can help companies improve their products and services while earning rewards, gift cards, or cash. There are many websites and platforms that offer paid surveys such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Prolific. You can also find paid survey opportunities on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Although it may not replace a full-time income, it can be a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Do you have a knack for finding great deals and discounts? So, becoming a cashback expert might be the perfect way to make money online. All you need to do is sign up for cashback websites like Rakuten or Honey and shop as usual. You'll earn a percentage of the purchase price back as a cash reward. It's a win-win situation. You get to save money on your purchases and earn cash back at the same time. On top of that, many cashback websites also offer sign-up bonuses and referral programs, which means you can earn even more money by referring friends and family. So if you love shopping online, why not turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle? With the rise of social media, content creation has become one of the most lucrative ways to make money online. If you're a natural storyteller with a passion for a particular niche, you can start a YouTube channel or a blog and share your knowledge and skills with the world. Your content could be in the form of videos, articles, podcasts, or even live streams. The possibilities are endless. As your content grows in popularity, you'll earn ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. You can also monetize your content through affiliate marketing and sell products or services related to your niche. With hard work and consistency, content creation can be a rewarding and profitable career path. Starting an e-commerce business is a fantastic way to make money online, especially if you have a passion for fashion. You don't need to invest a lot of money to get started. With platforms like Shopify, you can create a professional-looking website without any coding knowledge. And with apps like Oberlo, you can dropship products directly from suppliers to your customers. This means you won't have to worry about managing inventory or shipping logistics. You can start your fashion e-commerce business today with little to no upfront investment. And with the right products and marketing strategy, you could be on your way to success in no time. If you're looking for a more passive way to make money online, investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies could be a good option for you. With the right investments, you can earn dividends and interest without having to actively trade. To get started, open an account with a reputable brokerage firm and fund it with a few $100s. You can then invest in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, which are a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, you can also invest in stablecoins or other crypto assets with low price volatility. While investing does carry some risk, it can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. Just be sure to do your research and invest responsibly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.